Welcome to Shifting Grades. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Share my link with your friends so that they may also continue learning. I'd like to present a question on percentage change in quantities when they are jointly varied. So I bring up, so make sure you cooperate and follow so that you may understand how it is done. We are given a question here which says that three quantities t, x, and y are such that t varies directly as x, and inversely as the square root of y, and inversely as the square root of y. Then we are further told that find the percentage change in t. Find the percentage change in t when x decreases by 4 percent and y increases by 44 percent. I read out the question again. T varies directly as x and inversely as the square root of y. Find the percentage change in t when x decreases by 4% and y increases by 44%. Solution. We will start by getting a simple expression. T varies directly as x and inversely as the square root of y. Then from this, we can say that t equals to a constant of proportionality times x divided by the square root of y. Then we are told, okay, so this is the expression for t, the original expression for t. That is the original expression for t. We are told further that to find the percentage change in t when x decreases by 4%. So can we get the next or the new value of x? X decreases by 4%. This means x becomes 96% of the original x, and this will be 0.96 of the original x. So the new x becomes 0.96 of the original x. We are further told that y increases by 44%. This means that the new y becomes 144% of the original y. This will be 1.44 of the original y. So the new y is 1.44% or 1.44y. So new y becomes 1.44 of original y. New x becomes 0.96 of original x. For us to get, okay, we can get now the new t. We can express the new t. So t now becomes the constant of proportionality times x, and the new x is 0.96 of original x. Then we divide everything by the square root of y, and the new y is 1.44 of original y. So the new t becomes 0.96k times x. Then we divide all this by the square root of 44 is 1.2, the square root of y. So that is the new t. percentage change in T, percentage change in T will be the new T minus the original T all over the original T, and everything we multiply it by 100 so that you may get the percentage change. Therefore, the new T is 0.96 kx. We divide it with 1.2. That's the original T, which is constant x divided by the square root of y. We can divide all this with kx divided by the square root of y. So to get the percentage change, now we can factor out the constants and the variables. This will give us kx divided by root y. So in the numerator, when you factor out like that, over 1, 2 minus 1, then we divide all this by kx all over the square root of y. This cancels with this one, and we remain with 0.96 over 1.2 minus 1. Then now we can multiply with 100 so that the change becomes percentage. So 0.96 divided by 1.2 becomes 0.8 minus 0.8 and then minus 1 multiplied by 100. So when we subtract 1, we will get negative 0.2 by 100. Negative 0.2 by 100. This gives us negative 20%. We are saying that the percentage change is a negative. So now we should comment that because we're just finding the percentage change, then the nature of the change is a decrease. Therefore, the change in T will be T decreased or decreases by 20%. Now that we have known it is a decrease, we just extract the absolute value of the change. So it is 20% decrease. The negative was telling us the type of change. If it is a negative, then we know it's a decrease. The other case, we had gotten a positive, we said it is an increase. So that is how we get percentage changes in given quantities when the other variables in the formula are varied by given percentages. Thank you for following. Subscribe to Shift. Great.